simple and easy way to learn waltz. So first we're gonna learn rise and fall. So in waltz we have a rise and fall feeling. So we bend our knee straight, bend straight, bend straight. So what's next we're gonna do? As we bend our leg, we're gonna go forward, close, up, down, going back and up. So we're going forward and back with that rise and fall feeling. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now we can do exactly the same to the side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Also we can do it in a square shape. 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How we can more develop this? So we can dance box that we can slightly turn it around. Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if you'd like travel forward and back with the waltz step, we can use